Hi guys, I wanted to do a gachapon. I'm butchering it for sure. Unbox. Let's open her up. These I believe were 300 yen, which is about like $2, $2 US, if not less. So this is, oh, can you see that? And then the other side, it's a Slovenian family little like bread situation. They're so freaking cute and tiny. Oh, hold on, let me show you that. It's like a little shopping bag for the bread. Here's my girl. Here's the little bread. I can flip it, but there you go. That was in my gachapon. Here is what I unboxed. That wasn't good enough.